Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss chapter number 1 for class 9th, and that is matter in our surroundings. So the things around us, they all are matter. So now we are going to define matter. We are going to understand what is matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. So matter is anything that occupies some space and has a certain mass. That anything is called matter. In our living world or non-living world, all the things are made up of matter. So matter is the basic material of life, and matter itself is made up of some tiny particles. Matter is made up of teeny particles. These teeny particles are atoms or molecules. Atoms or molecules. Atom is the smallest particle, and atoms combine to form molecules. So how matter is formed? Matter is formed of atoms or molecules. All the living things and non-living things, they are made up of matter, and that is our chapter, matter in our surroundings. Whatever we see, that is all matter. Now what are the properties of matter? And first question here, define matter. So anything that occupies some space and has a mass, that is called matter. Now what are the properties of matter? First, matter is made up of particles. So we can say matter is particulate. Matter is particulate, means matter is made up of particles. Second, these particles always remains in particles always remain in motion. And third properties of matter is these particles attract each other. So particles attract each other. So basically we can say there are three properties. Matter is a particulate, or we can say matter is not a continuous. Second, particulate. So it is made up of particles. Particles always remain in motion, and these particles attract each other, right? So next thing is what is the physical state of matter? So we can say on the basis of physical state, matter is made up of, matter has three physical states. First physical state is solid, second is liquid, third is gas. These are the three physical states of matter. Now three questions are there: what is solid, what is liquid, what is gas? How they are classified? On what behalf we can say any matter is solid, any matter is liquid, any matter is gas? So the basic definition of solid is the substance that's melting point is higher than of room temperature. So any substance whose melting point is higher than room temperature, or we can say whose melting point and boiling point is higher than of room temperature, that substance is said to be solid. Similar definition for liquid, but a substance is said to be liquid when its melting point is equal to room temperature. So a substance is said to be liquid when its melting point is equal to room temperature. That physical state will be liquid. And now we can clearly understand what is gas. A substance is said to be gas when its melting point is lower than that of room temperature. So these are the basic three definitions of a solid, liquid and a gas. Again I am going to repeat. A substance is said to be solid when its melting point is higher than that of a room temperature. What is liquid? A substance is said to be liquid when its melting point is equal to room temperature. We can use boiling point also. And last, what is a gas? A substance is said to be gas when its melting point is lower than that of room temperature. So this is the introduction of matter, definition of matter, properties of matter and the physical states of matter. In next video we will compare the properties of solid, liquid and gas. I hope you would understand it.